Drivers operate in tight environments. Even minor collisions can majorly impact the flow of business. Whether you're dealing with the close quarters of older warehouses or bustling urban regions, you want trucks that can handle challenging surroundings. We've reimagined the new Mack Anthem from the ground up, revolutionizing its maneuverability. We've shortened the bumper to back of cab from 117 inches to 113 inches, improving handling without compromising interior space or comfort. The Anthem's redesigned hood allows drivers to see 12% closer to the front bumper, which greatly reduces front corner collisions. The Anthem is available without fairings for higher ground clearance over curbs and potholes. And with a wheel cut of up to 50 degrees, the Anthem has a tighter turning radius than ever before, so it can get precisely where it needs to be. Mack is America's #1 recommended truck brand because of our commitment to drivers. So for better productivity, reduced fleet costs, and increased driver confidence in challenging environments, there's no clearer choice than the all-new Mack Anthem.